that you keep to yourself. And when I call you and you don't pick up, you're telling me this, you're telling me that, and I don't know what to expect. You say it's alright, but I don't feel you. I can sense something is wrong. My intuition is wrong. You say it's okay, I don't believe you. I can sense something is wrong. It's just one more thing that I want. Gonna ask you once, don't say you're sorry. Sorry's the most word I'd rather know.